What is going on, friends? Today, we're going to give you a little recap of what's been going on here in the beginning of the year. Straight up, this year has come in like a freaking freight train. Good stuff, but super busy. I snuck off in December for 2 weeks. I went to Jade Jungle Resort in Belize for a few days and chilled in the jungle with my family. Then we went to Key Calker in Belize, a small island, stayed for a few days. And then we went to my normal chill spot in Negril, Jamaica for just over a week. So nice 2-week vacation with the family. I went up to Maryland to see a couple friends for New Year's and then came back and it was go time. Straight to the frigid Arctic of beautiful Detroit, Michigan, where we unveiled the new Mustang RTR that is coming from Ford, which is a freaking dream of mine since I started RTR. Oh my gosh, what a moment. We have a car, a Mustang that is coming directly from the factory out of the Flat Rock plant. That's real life now. So 15 years, over 15 years of dreaming. Is there any coincidence that my number is 25 and it's year 2025 and this is happening? I know we didn't plan it that way, but here we are, friends. We're literally only the second company ever in 60 years that Ford has collaborated with at this level to bring a Mustang directly from the amazing team at Flat Rock is going to build it for us. So we unveiled the preview car of that. The wrap that is on that car is just a one of one, though we've had a lot of people saying they want to buy the car with that wrap. It was just to not show you guys everything and give you a preview, let you know it's coming. So very, very excited about that. Then from there, I went straight to the St. Louis Auto Show to drive with Ben, and we had Luke Fink come out and drive James' car. We needed a right-hand drive badass, and Luke was certainly that. Had a lot of fun with him and Ben for that event. Then it was time to get back to the lab after vacation and lock in all budgeting fun, all planning, all dreaming, raises, bonuses, all those fun things for our peoples. And then it was straight to Houston for an event with Pennzoil where I was live doing an appearance, did a few burnouts, even made a little tire explosion, which everybody got really excited about. And then came back here for the championship party where we celebrated James Dean and our team's amazing accomplishment in 2024, winning our second championship in a row and fourth total. So very, very amazing night. We had like over 200 people here. We met some Mustang owners at an undisclosed location and took them for a route on some of my favorite back roads in the area. Watched the documentary, which will be coming out soon. And then we went to, I got some party buses and took the team out downtown in Charlotte. And then we might not or might have ended up back here a little bit late at night and had some extracurricular activity fun with the squad. We had simulators fired up. The guys from Chicago Sim came down We had taxi garage here, so there was a plethora of crazy cars for fun. And then, of course, we don't slack with the vehicles we have around for the lot. So it was a damn good time. Thank you to everybody that came out. It was such a vibe. Cool. We'll give you a quick little shop tour. First and foremost, you'll notice that construction is done. So we got that offices now. We've got RTR engineering, RTR vehicles all together in one area. They were kind of scattered about before, and we needed some more space because we're growing and working on a lot more projects. Speaking of projects, I'm not going to show you the other side of this, but during the party, we did show our artist render, Lindsay's render of the new Spec 5, and that did get out onto the internet, so we'll show it to you right here. But I'm not going to show you the other side of this because, yeah, it's got some stuff that we're testing from 3D printing. Other than that, new additions to the lab, 4 championship banners, dun, dun, dun. And then over here is all new FD prep going on. My car's chilling. Focus right now is James and Ben's car, getting ready for testing. So vinyl's coming off Ben's car, new motor's about to go in, a refresh motor, I should say. James' car, I think I said Ben's, I don't know. My brain's not working very well. Over here we got Ben's car, Ben's brand new chassis, going back together, and we're shooting to be testing at the end of February. RTRC, we broke this out on the drive. My buddy Jason, who lives in Maryland, took it for a ride. What's going on here? Oh yeah, just a little bit of dirt. Got Bandito over here because we are going to the Ford Performance launch party this week. So Lauren's in town. We're gonna be giving rides in Bandito, and then going to the Ford Performance launch party, which they did last year. It was an absolute blast. Huge crowd, just a celebration of all the fun things that Ford is getting into in 2025. All the drivers will be there. They got some great musical talent and just throwing a party to bring the year in. So Hayden's doing a little refresh on Bandito this year. So right around this time, we will have announced that the Funhaver Off-Road team, as it's known, is evolving into the RTR Vehicles off-road team. Nothing going on with Funhaver. Still will be working with that brand. Still going to be, you know, making awesome lifestyle and soft goods merch. The Bronco products for Funhaver Off-Road, all that stuff will still be available. But we, as a collective, need to kind of sharpen our focus a little bit. And RTR is that focus. We have generated such an opportunity. We have such great momentum. It just makes sense for everything that we're doing to be pulling on that rope. And Lauren has been a part of RTR a lot more in the background. And now we're just bringing that off-road program to the forefront as we get into developing some more off-road products, off-road vehicles, things that we just have going on in the hopper. It makes sense to kind of do that transition and really bring mine and Lauren's partnership, which is based in Farmington, New Mexico, into the entire enterprise fold. So that's basically what we're doing. We also have a new shop that's being built out in Farmington, a new large off-road facility, which we're excited to show you guys that. Beyond those, quite a few updates. I don't think we're gonna go in the fab shop right now.
No.
We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for that. So that's the what's been going down January, a little bit of shop update, and heading to King of the Hammers, which I will be there on the lake bed, ready to race with Lauren in the stock class 4600 Bronco, and then as teammates, because we'll share duties in that truck, and then we will be fierce competitors come 4400 day on Saturday. We're feeling really good, feeling like we can win it this year, and that's what we're going to do. So wish us luck, and check in on social and see what we got going on. So we'll get in the weeds on the mezzanine, what's going on in the fab shop, and other shop updates here in the near future. But until then, friends, thank you very much. Oh, we've also got some fresh, sweet-ass merch, rtrvehicles.com. Check it out. See y'all soon. Whoa!